Hi guys, today we've got this low bun hairstyle which is perfect for the Christmas party season. I've left some hair out to frame the face. We're just going to divide off a chunk of hair from the top of the head to just behind the ear on one side and clip this out of the way until later. Gather the rest of the hair into a low ponytail. Next, apply some texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then just pinch and pull at the hair to create a bit more volume. Now we're just going to create a 3-strand braid on that ponytail, securing it with a clear elastic band. And then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at each loop and twist of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. Taking the end of the braid, just roll it up until we meet the head, and then secure all round the outside of that little bun with as many bobby pins as needed. Release that side section and apply some more texture spray. Split this section in half and twist the sections around one another to create a twist. Lay this twist over the top of the bun and we're just going to secure it to the head on the left hand side. So bring this twist down to the opposite side of the bun and we're just going to secure it in the middle at the top. And then also along the side of that bun just to keep it nice and secure. If you have any tail ends left over, just wrap these around a bobby pin and tuck them up and underneath that bun section. Then we're very gently going to pinch and pull at the edge of that twist. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.